Oh, thank you. I love Bannon. 59.
I won't forget it.
Oh, this is exciting.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, that camera.
Yeah. I said I'm staying behind the camera.
Oh, okay.
You're fine. This is so exciting. Oh my gosh, girlfriend. Let me get a picture of you first, really quick, with them.
Look at that.
Mr. Scanlon, will you take a picture of me in the petition? Okay, hold on. I want to get a picture, then I get a video. You want to hold on?
Yep.
Thank you. Okay.
Okay.
So I have one more question for you.
Okay, take the
Are
first.
we going to get, so there's a lot more petitions. The notaries are just trying to get things ready.
Yep.
Are we going to get a copy of the backup card that you guys have from the AccuVote systems from the Wyndham machines?
I know that the AG's office is working on your right to know request, including that information. I expect you're going to get that.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So we will get the actual, you expect us to get the actual forensic images of the AccuVote machine cards?
You will get the data that was provided to us by the LHS, the vendor that produces those cards. So I'm not sure, all of that might be on a CD, it might be on a thumb drive, but whatever it is that we have.
I just want to let you know that it is so important to, everybody that showed up here today and everybody who, it's so important that we are able to validate our freedom. And honestly, I don't understand what the big deal is about just opening these boxes and scanning these ballots. And here's my problem with that, sir, is that the Secretary of State told me that the reason why he won't open up the boxes is because someone could have wrote a smiley face if I paid you to vote for me. So we're protecting the criminals, but we're not protecting us. You understand what I'm saying? Because that's against the law. You can't pay someone to have them vote for you. That's against the law.
Yeah.
So it just doesn't make any sense to me why the state is giving us such a hard time about scanning our ballots and verifying our freedom. And I just want you to hear us, and I really hope, I've never talked to you before, I know you've gotten millions of emails from me, and I'm not going back to work, and neither are these people, until we verify our freedom, sir. And it's very important.
I understand how you feel, and I understand your concerns, and we have to follow the laws that are on the books.
You guys follow your own laws.
We follow the laws of the state of New Hampshire that the legislature passes. And right now, there is no provision.
Just because it's unethical doesn't make it illegal.
Do you know that your AG literally said to me, just because it's unethical doesn't make it a criminal violation. Word for word, I have it on camera.
Yeah, well, you may, but what I'm saying is that we have to follow the laws that are on the books, and there are laws that do not allow us, after an election is over and after the recount is finished, to just open up ballot boxes. We need a court order for that to happen.
You don't.
You guys have the power to do that.
Yeah, that may be your interpretation.
No, your interpretation is wrong, Deputy Scanlon.
Okay. Well,
there's something going on that more than meets the eye. That's all you're showing to us. All we're asking for is the truth.
One of the laws on the books is the right to readdress.
Yes.
And that's,
and I'm not an attorney, so I'm not going to debate
It's about
those
to
laws,
go back to the time where I'm going to go to every single restaurant in the state of New Hampshire and be like, pay me your meals taxes, I'll make sure your elections count. We're going to start our own government. We're going to fire you guys. And I'm not, you might laugh at that, but I promise you.
I'm not laughing,
but you just smiled. I just saw the smile. Listen, I promise you that there is enough fed up people that we're just going to keep growing, and we're going to keep growing, and we're going to keep growing.
That's right.
And the only thing that you're going to do to not get fired from your positions, because we are going to fire you if this continues. We want to verify our freedom, sir.
Well, and
it
you're
is very
exercising your
important.
right.
But it doesn't stop there. We're not stopping. I'm not stopping.
You have to do what you have to do, but we
and
have
every
to follow
single
the law.
time we have something, you don't follow the law, sir. You don't follow the
Sir,
law.
just so you know, and I just want to make sure that you're absolutely aware of this. The Constitution is the law of the land.
You work for
I agree
us.
with that
Do you
100%.
agree that you work for us?
Marbury
Well,
versus.
Do you agree that you work for us? Hold on,
Yeah, this
he's
is
he's
important.
stuttering right now.
I
Do
agree,
you work for
listen,
us?
I agree that government works for the people of New Hampshire.
Okay, so
But
the
it's
people
not.
of New
And we have to
Hampshire.
follow the laws that are on the books.
Do you work
Wait, you're
for the
saying
people
the,
of New
you're
Hampshire?
saying that the
so
ballots
listen, I've
cannot
received
be
your,
opened
I've
up, but of
received
course
your
that's
petitions, and we'll make sure
absolutely
that
not
these get
true.
delivered. And
The ballots are secured for 22 months so that they can be audited. So you cannot sit here and look at us,
What's the
we the people, and say
This is
that you cannot
drawing-
open
Yeah,
up
sir.
the ballots
This is-
for an audit.
listen, you have
And we
your
need to
interpretation
scan
of
the
statute.
ballots with
drawing.
kinematic
You have to-
artifact detection, so we know what's fraudulent, what's not fraudulent. We need that. We need to scan the ballots, sir. And the reason why you have a 22 months is specifically for audit.
Exactly. And I just
So-
want to let you know that we will go to the towns ourselves and we will get our own ballots. I promise you.
Okay,
You
well,
don't have a choice. Listen to me.
Yeah.
You don't have a choice.
Yeah, I mean,
all right? You're
I'm
not
not
going
gonna
to have a
debate you
choice.
because
You guys
you're
are
not
going
listening
to
to-
get fired. We're going to get our own ballots from our own towns. I will go
You're
town
either
by
coming
town.
on our
Okay.
side or
Well,
you're not.
I've got
Thank
these,
you
so
for your
we'll make
time.
sure that they
We have a
get
lot
delivered.
more for
Have a
you.
great weekend.
Thank you.
And don't forget the Constitution's law of the land.
You work for us.
They are scared. I love it.